Hello everyone, my name is Soni Singh and I am a TEDx speaker. Yes, you heard it right, I am a TEDx speaker. How I became this TEDx speaker, I'll share with you shortly. Let me brief you about my background. So I was into corporate industries for almost 13 years. I was into the field of intellectual property rights. I was working for different organizations and I spent a good lot of time there. But even though I was there, I was not satisfied, and something inside me kept on pushing me to look for something better than what I was doing. And somehow I got connected to the speakers who delivered their speeches and inspire others on TEDx platforms. And this became one of my dreams. And I don't know how and when I got so much connected to these speeches that I kept on watching each and every speech, and this went inside my subconscious mind that yes, I want to become one of them. So fortunately, in 2022, I landed up in Passion Runner community and I met Fatha Khan. Very inspiring personality. I started following him, and I started looking at how he is inspiring others. So I was able to analyze what challenges I was facing in my life. I have very low self-image, no confidence at all, and lacking somehow in communication, good communication skills as well. So when I was following him, one fine day, I saw that he delivered a TEDx speech, and that was just the wow moment for me. I watched his video, his TEDx speech, not even once, at least thrice. And it was so well connecting with me. He was inspiring others by his story, and it was right away coming from his heart. So that was the beautiful point that I catched from his TEDx speech, and I reached out to him to help me to go to that platform, that big platform. And he was so humble to help me to achieve my dream. He helped me to writing a beautiful script. He helped me to understand how a powerful script can change the game. Your script should have a hook, your challenges, your story, and finally a beautiful closure with the help of results that you have achieved. I was completely unaware of these tactics. So he helped me to understand that owning such a big platform is not easy. And once you are going there, you should show something different that others are not following. So these are the beautiful things that I learned from him, and he helped me throughout my speech, through the journey. And finally, in March 2023, I was able to deliver my first TEDx speech on this beautiful platform. My confidence raised high, my interaction with my people, my mentees boosted up, and I got so much of traction from the world. I can say from social media. So my confidence raised to the next level, and me as a person moved up as to my next level. So now I understood how I have to become every time better version of myself, and this all credit goes to Fatha Khan. I would like to highly recommend to all the viewers who are right now listening to me that don't have any kind of doubt in your mind. Reach out to Fatha Khan if you are really aiming to become a TEDx speaker, because this is not only going to boost your confidence, also it will boost your growth path in terms of your career, in terms of your business to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Just do it. Thank you.